Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. And to pair the devices together, first you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. And once you turn it on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. Scroll through it, look for the language you like, and then tap on it, or tap on OK, my bad, to select the language. As you can see, we need to now download and install the application to pair the devices together, and that application is called HONOR Health. So go to your phone, open the Play Store, and tap on search and type in HONOR Health. So HONOR and then Health. And tap on search, and you should see this application with this icon. Install this application. And once the application is done installing, you can open it. In the app, you will need to scroll down, tap next, agree, and now you should see the health page. Tap on device, add device, and it will ask you to log in into HONOR ID. If you don't have an account, you can always make one by tapping on register, and then of course you can use it to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap on login. Oh, apparently I entered the password incorrectly, which is very interesting. Let's try this one. Okay, this time it worked. So I'm gonna skip this, and after you log in, tap on device icon again to open the device page, my bad, and then tap on add device. Allow the required permissions. If you see this page again and nothing is happening, tap on add device again. It will start scanning and it should detect your HONOR Watch X5i. Select it. Tap on the check mark on the watch, tap on pair on your phone. And here you can check the boxes to enable the automatic download of the update packages when you have the connection with the VLAN or WLAN, and then we have automatically installed the rest and restart the device when it's idle. So basically, if you won't be doing anything on your watch, it will automatically install the update and restart itself. You can also uncheck the boxes if you don't want to use these features. Then tap next, try now. And here we can turn on the phone notifications. And this is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel and skip this. If you want to enable it, tap on enable. It will direct you to this page. Here you need to find the HONOR Health application and tap on it. Then allow the notification access. So tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then go back. As you can see, we have more permissions, so let's allow them. And now the notifications are enabled, and we can go back. Tap on OK. And if you see this page, you can just go back. And now you should see the watch on the device page. And if you go to your watch itself, it will ask you to enable the PIN. And you can skip this during the install for some reason. It's very annoying. Later on, you can disable it in settings, but yeah, we need to enable the PIN. So let's enter something like this. Don't use the same one as I do because it's not very strong, very safe. Even watch will warn you about it, but yeah. And now the watch should be ready to use. And basically that's about it. That's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.